Well, you can see there is still a memorial here just off of SR7. That is for 13-year-old Michael Weilert, who was killed here more than a year ago. But in that time since he has been gone, more people have been hurt. Some people have even been killed on this corridor since then, emphasizing the need here for more constant vigilance and also more maintenance. The numbers speak for themselves. According to data tracked by the Washington Department of Transportation, there have been 143 vehicle versus pedestrian accidents in Pierce County this year. 11 of them happened on State Route 7, also known as Pacific Avenue. 2 out of those collisions, someone died. The devastating event happened July 19th, 2022 in Parkland.
I arrived just to see them having laid the white sheet over Michael's body. At that point, I knew that I'd lost him.
Michael Weilert was just 13 years old when he was hit and killed while on his bicycle crossing the street near his home. We talked to his dad 1 month after his death last year.
It's pretty hard to deal with. It's the worst thing I've ever had to deal with in my life. I couldn't imagine anything worse than this.
Even then, Michael's loved ones told us safety was only getting worse following their son's accident. Someone crashed into the pedestrian sign pole in the middle of the median, taking out the center marker last year.
And a lot of drivers don't pay attention, and especially since the crosswalk isn't at like an actual traffic stop, that they think that the pedestrians have to watch on their own.
They don't care about anybody else. They just want to get to where they're going, and they want to do it fast.
A new lawsuit filed this week by his family is holding both the driver who hit Michael and the state of Washington accountable for his death. Here's what the lawsuit says. State Route 7 has 4 lanes near 134th Street where Michael was killed. 2 moving north, 2 moving south. Weilert pushed a button that turns on a flashing light alerting drivers of pedestrians crossing. The lawsuit says the car closest to the curb heading northbound stopped. The car in the left lane did not. The lawsuit states that the beacon posted on an island that's supposed to alert drivers in that left lane did not flash. The lawsuit claims WashDOT knew the rapid flashing beacon was not working, yet didn't do anything to fix it. The driver of the Jeep, Rebecca Magdaleno, was never criminally charged in Weilert's death, though she is named in this lawsuit. The Weilert family declined to comment for this story, though their attorney tells us Magdaleno is included as they are looking into whether or not she played a role in causing Michael's death, whether that's through negligence or another reason. Their attorney also explained in this area there are 11 RFBs. However, at the time of Weilert's death, 5 were not working. I reached out to WashDOT for comment today. In an email, they responded, quote, "Our thoughts are with the Weilert family. WashDOT does not comment on active litigation." Michael has already influenced wheels to turn for some change with the help of his loved ones advocating on his behalf. A package of bills were presented to the Senate earlier this year to improve safety, including a bill that would ban right turns on red lights and adding speed safety cameras on highways. And because of the pandemic pushing so many court cases back on the schedule, this trial date is set for June 2025. Weilert's family says this whole situation is beyond devastating. They just hope that they can leave behind a legacy that will protect others from just trying to get to where they need to be. We're live in Pierce County tonight. I'm Nikki Torres, Fox 13 News.